Square root estimation method. I'll explain one of the important and simple technique. Instead of finding the square root directly, how to estimate the answer is nearest to approximately nearest number. So hardly 0.5 to 1% difference. So how to estimate accurate answer. Not even exact, but approximate answer with hardly difference of 2 digits or 3 digits. To tenths or hundredth place difference only we can see. Let me explain with an example. Okay, for example, I want to find out the square root of 19. So perfect squares are okay. The square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 36 is 6. We know that. But it's a not perfect square. How to estimate this square root of 19? There is one simple technique, divide and average. Divide and average. Okay, let us see once. So 19 is the nearest to perfect square is 16. We know that. So the number 19, 16 and next perfect square is 25. In between this 19. So 16 because it's a 4 square, this is a 5 square. So 16, 19 is previous, before 19 the perfect square is 16. That is square root of 16 is 4. So now first we divide with this 4 which is nearest to the square root, that to previous number, not after. So with 4 we should divide. So 19 divided by 4. This division you can do. So what will get? 4 4s are 16, 3. Okay, 0 point. 4 7s are 28 and 2. Again 0. 5s are 20, 0. So what we got? 4.75. This is a division. Next to average. Average is take that number, same what number we divided, take that number plus the answer what you got 4.75. We'll take average this. Average means sum of the numbers divided by 2 because you need to add this both numbers and divide by 2. So 4 plus 4.75. This is a 4.375. Okay, this is the square root of 19. Let us see with compared to original. Square root of 19, the original number is 4.359. So this is approximately equals to 4.375. At least up to 10th place, even 100th, 1000th place is different. So approximate value. This concept is approximately up to 10th place you'll get clearly. 4.359 and this is the original. Square root of 19 is original answer is 4.359, so on. So what we got is 4.375. Let's take one more example. Okay, square root of 87. Let me take some big number. And divide and average rule. 87, if you notice, nearest to perfect square is 81, right? Because 87, 81 next followed by 100 only. Because this is the 9 square and this is 10 square. So what we should do? We should divide with 9. Now take this 87 divide by 9. Let us see how much you will get difference between these both. 87 with 9. So 9 9s are 81, 6, 0. So 0.6 again, 54. Again 6 we are getting. So it's repeating. So 9 plus. Next average 9 plus 9.66. Okay, up to 2 decimals I can take and divide by 2. That is 9.33 bar. So this is 66 bar. Same, but if you went verify the with original answer, square root of 87 is 9.32737, so on. If you can round off to the up to 100th place, 10th 100th place, if you can round off, this is exactly 9.33. So if you compare this, our guessing also same as it is, you see. Okay, right, we got same, right? So this is the technique you can follow, same. Let me show one more example also to make it better clear. This is a very simple and easy technique for guessing. Let me take square root of 29. So 29 is nearby 5. Okay, no need of doing all divisions. Just to take 5 and 29 divide by 5 is just 5 is 25 and 4.0840, right? So we can take 5.8. So divide by 2, just in between these two numbers, average means. So 5.4. And we know that square root of 29 value is 5.38. We got is 5.4. In case if I can round up this to 10th place, we'll get same 5.4 only. Okay, little more extra, but not bad. So we got estimation is clear. Okay, these are the simple techniques, especially when you're estimating the square root. Okay, and previous estimations guessing we did addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and this is one of the easiest way to find out the square root in estimating. So all the series you can follow to get the complete knowledge from this complete series.